board-certified clinical hypnotherapist, a spiritual seeker, and a spiritual teacher. This is kind of a special episode of the podcast. It's our 15th episode, but it's the second episode that's been uploaded to YouTube. And uploading these episodes to YouTube in video format is kind of why I'm doing this one. I was recently talking to a good friend of mine named Chandler Lyons, who is a business coach, maybe. I don't know if that's the right word, but he helps people who are looking to start entrepreneurial businesses and endeavors. You can find his contact and stuff below this video. I was recently talking to him, and he was talking about my podcast, and he said, you should really make a video product out of this podcast. So not just an audio product, a video too, and upload that to YouTube. And so I started doing that with episode 14, the last episode that I did. And I thought, if people stumble upon this on YouTube, they might be like, well, who is this guy? Why do I care what he's talking about? And so this episode is to introduce you to me and what I do. Like I said, I'm a board-certified clinical hypnotherapist. That means I do hypnosis with clients and with patients to help them achieve desired outcomes and results. So anything from quitting smoking to weight loss to also personal development stuff. Like I've had clients who come to me and say, I don't know what to focus on, or I get out of bed and the first thing I do is grab my phone and start looking at Facebook, and I don't want to do that. And so hypnotherapy is a great way to help you achieve what you want in terms of personal development. And so that's something that I do. I'm also, I mentioned, a spiritual seeker and a spiritual teacher. And so that just means I'm constantly kind of digging into the realm of spirituality for my betterment, to kind of fuel self-improvement efforts on my own. And I'm teaching what I learned to people, and I'm teaching it at www.deeperawake.com. And so I call that the Deeper Awake School. And so it's a place where you can go, a membership site where you can join and with a monthly membership and get access to everything that I'm learning and teaching. I look into things like Kabbalah. Right now I'm studying Kabbalah and taking a deep dive into that. There's going to be some Gnosticism up on the site hopefully soon. Ceremonial magic, divination, things like that. Basically just esoteric tools to help you improve yourself. And there's also hypnosis on the site. Every month I upload a different hypnosis audio so that you can listen to them regularly to make improvements on your own life. You don't have to work with a hypnotist one-on-one. You can listen to hypnosis audios as you're going to sleep at night, and it's extremely, extremely effective. The other thing that I'm kind of big into, and you can probably tell over here, is Joseph Campbell. So what is Joseph Campbell, hypnotherapy, and esotericism? What do they all have to do with each other? Well, they all kind of point to the subconscious. We have our conscious mind, the thing I'm using to talk and speak, and you're using to listen to me and process my words. But there's something else underneath that, your subconscious mind that programs you and keeps you alive and operates by priorities that were developed early in your life. And Joseph Campbell and his hero's journey, it was really a way to dive into your subconscious. Almost all, if not all the esoteric principles you look at and can study all point back to your subconscious. And obviously hypnosis is about learning how to communicate with properly and program the subconscious. So while these three areas may seem unrelated, they are extremely related. And this podcast is all about finding the common ground between the works of Joseph Campbell, hypnotherapy, and esotericism, or here's a scary word, the occult. But the occult just means hidden. It doesn't mean evil. It doesn't mean demonic. It just means the occult is information that hasn't been made widely available to a lot of people. But in the democratized age of the internet, that information is out there, and you have guys like me, 48-year-old in Lexington, Kentucky, talking about it on YouTube. So clearly it's not hidden anymore. But that doesn't mean it's easy to understand and it's easy to integrate into your life. And so that's what the Deeper Awake School is all about, is helping you integrate that information better into your life. And so we're going to talk about that more and more. I think the next episode is going to be on divination. And so if you've ever wondered about divination, things like tarot cards or the I Ching, and thought, that just seems so weird and unrelatable and unnecessary, I'm here to tell you it is the most accurate way to have conversations, back and forth conversations with your subconscious mind. Maybe not the most accurate, but it's a really valuable way to communicate effectively with your subconscious. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next episode. Okay, so I'm Patch Drury. Please leave a comment. Please like the video. Please subscribe. That's what I'm supposed to say. Hit the bell, smash the bell, whatever. Subscribe, like this video, and come back and see what we put up every week. Okay, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.